Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel I do a lot of natural hair remedies or DIYs for natural hair. I also love to DIY for my home. I remodel and I do a little bit of vlogging here and there. So if those interest you, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing family. It is absolutely free. Alright y'all, let's get started with this natural hair growth remedy. To make this hair growth remedy, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, and some leftover aloe vera juice. The leftover aloe vera juice was from a DIY that I made for my hair. If you've been washing for a while, you know that I have 2 young ladies here that I always make DIYs for their hair to foster hair growth. Alright family, so today ain't no different. Let's make this natural hair growth remedy that is going to boost hair growth, soften the hair texture, treat hair loss, promote a thicker hair growth, fight dandruff, all of those great things for our natural hair. So I have combined all of my ingredients into the cup. I added some hot water. I'm going to allow this to steep for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I went ahead and strained my remedy. This is pretty easy to make. However, this is very powerful for the natural hair. Fenugreek contains anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation and pain on the scalp. It also promotes a thicker hair growth, a fight dandruff, it treats hair loss, it softens the hair texture. If you use fenugreek consistently, you are going to restore your hair naturally and treat other scalp conditions such as dandruff, dry hair, and itchy scalp. Fenugreek also contains so many great vitamins such as vitamins A, B, C, and K. Alright, then we have rosemary in here. Rosemary thickens the hair, it stimulates hair growth. If you struggle with dandruff as well, you can use rosemary to tackle that. Rosemary is known to have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. The aloe vera added to this remedy is going to help strengthen weak hair follicles. Aloe vera controls greasy hair. It grows the hair. It contains vitamins such as vitamins A, C, and E. Aloe vera rejuvenates the hair and dry scalp. It also eliminates microbial infections. It reduces scalp inflammation. Aloe vera restores the pH balance on the scalp. After adding the aloe vera, you can leave this as is. If you want to take it a step further, you can go ahead and add in your favorite oil. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the castor oil and 10 to 15 drops of the rosemary oil. Alright y'all, if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment your favorite part of this video in the comment section, and share this video to a loved one. You know, go ahead and share this video to a friend, a family member, somebody in your community that you think might benefit from watching this video. You know, as they say, sharing is caring, right? So go ahead and share the video to show that you care. Thank you so much for sharing. Who's ready for our weekly shout out? I know I am. I know last week I said I was going to do 1 shout out per video. Today I'm going to be doing 2 shout outs to 2 amazing family members on here. The first shout out goes to Miss Damaris from New York. Yay! New York in the building, y'all. The second shout out goes to, I don't know how to say this name and I don't want to butcher this name. I am so sorry if I don't say it right. All right, please forgive me. I think this is the last name. I'm going to try to say the last name. Ganguly from India. Yay, Ganguly from India. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all so much for tuning in to my weekly uploads. You could be somewhere else watching something, but you choose to watch me. So thank you so much. You are loved and you are appreciated. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. All right, y'all. So this is how you can make this amazing natural hair growth remedy for your hair that is going to foster hair growth. I'm going to be applying this remedy to my daughter's hair. y'all, as you can see in the process of application, I am massaging the scalp. Massaging the scalp is very, very important when it comes to hair growth. I might sound a little bit repetitive on this matter, but I won't stop saying it, y'all. I won't stop telling my brothers and sisters on here. Yeah, the guys too, they can grow their hair if they want to. You know, so if you want to grow your hair, massage your scalp. Once you get blood flowing to your scalp, it is going to help your hair grow. Your hair is going to benefit a lot from the blood flow to your scalp. So during your leisure, just go ahead and put your fingers on your scalp and massage, or if you have your hair massager or your scalp massager, that's even better. All right, so please massage your scalp. Now I'm going in with my homemade growth oil. After applying the growth oil, I went in with my fingers again to massage the oil into the scalp. All right, family, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share your favorite part of this video in the comment section, and let me know where you are watching from. If you can leave your first name in the comment section, I will appreciate that. All right, I don't want to keep messing up you guys' name. I don't like that. So if you can leave your name, your first name in the comment section, I would really appreciate you guys. All right, y'all, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you all again. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed.